Grab some inexpensive tension rods, take 2 tension rods and install them horizontally in your closet. The front rod should be placed about a ½ inch lower than the back rod. This will give your shoes a slight angle forward without them falling off. You can organize boots as well. Place the tension rods vertically to keep boots upright and organized. Your boots can't help but stand at attention. Is the space under your kitchen sink a jumble of cleaning bottles? Clear out the space and install one larger sized tension rod horizontally and in front of any sink pipes. Hang all of your cleaning spray bottles from the rod. You'll be amazed at how much added space you now have. In any kitchen cupboard, install a series of 2 tension rods vertically and back to back to create the perfect system for storing baking sheets and muffin pans.
Begin by emptying out your entire pantry. Your counters should look like this. Clean and measure your space. I'll be using a few different organizers like clear plastic bins, wicker baskets, turntables, and airtight containers. How much better does this look? Everything makes sense for my home and my lifestyle, and it's super easy to find.
On our countertop, grab a curtain rod and 2 heavy-duty command hooks. Measure the placement for the 2 command hooks and hang the rod at your desired height. Arrange everyday items like K-cups, mugs, pictures, or plants using S-hooks on the rod. Let's start organizing inside your cabinets. Press this onto the cabinet door in this case and hold for 10 seconds. Now, your oven mitts, folders, and silicone mats are ready to be stored. If you ever change your mind, you can easily remove the hanger simply by pushing up and taking it off. I chose to replace the first hanger with this metal hook. I replaced the oven mitts with a cooling rack and a pan guard that fit just as perfect in this spot. Are you always losing your measuring utensils? Simply place a clear command hook on the outside of an airtight container and you'll always have your measuring utensils right at hand. I use mine for baking supplies. Simply take a large command hook and press it all the way to the left of the cabinet door. Then take your paper towel and measure to size. Down on the command hook, securing it to the opposite side of the cabinet door. Take a piece of string and run it through the middle of the paper towel holder and simply hang it on your 2 new command hooks. It's as easy as that. Already have a place to store your paper towels? Simply take off the paper towel roll from your 2 command hooks and replace it with a plastic shopping bag. Here's a simple storage solution, all your recyclable bags. If you didn't already know, the little tabs on the side of your saran wrap or tinfoil are meant to be pressed in to lock the roll in place. Using a command hook, simply stick the prong through the hole and press it firmly on your surface. I chose the side of my refrigerator.